everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1968 AMC AMX. Great car, guys. Love the color combination. This is just an awesome car. It was restored in 2013, recent body up restoration. This is, this is the factory color combination, frost white with a red vinyl interior. Of course, it's got the red striping all down the center of it. Factory 390 4-speed car. Good, solid North Carolina body. They've lowered it down a little bit. It's got a set of 18-inch American Racing torque thrusts all the way around it with ZR rated rubber, and really just a fun car to bang the gears, guys. Man, we got some sunshine popping out here. I thought we were going to be in all clouds today. But great car. Again, pretty paint, detailed up nicely. Great car, man. This is a fun car to drive. There's not a whole lot you can really nitpick on it. Again, it restored in 2013, so it's got a few years on it. But still very, very nice. Very well maintained. I love the color combination. The car sits good, nice and tight, drives out real good. Neat car. You don't see a lot of these cars, man. A lot of times when I look at them, when I see them, they're beat to heck, man. It's hard to find them nice like this. Little tiny crack there in the paint. Yeah, I dig this car, man. That 390 and the 4-speed. It's geared up a little, 373 in the back, so it goes. Tiny crack there in your trim. There's nice and flat down the sides. Again, it sits good. Bumpers have definitely been replaced. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I'm trying to get it posted as fast as I can. I'm also trying to stock up as best as I can right now. We've got a lot of nice stuff, man. But if you see something on the site, if there's just one photo, call the guys. They'll get you more pictures of it. I know a lot of guys want to see the videos. They'll do some small videos with their phones and stuff for you. Very nice underneath the hood, man. This thing, when you pop the hood at a car show, just impressive. Again, factory 390 car. It's got this custom ram air system on it with the air cleaner. 4-barrel, stock intake, stock manifolds. It's got the chrome valve covers on it. Power steering. Does have front disc brakes. Again, factory 4-speed manual transmission. It's got the aluminum radiator with a shroud. Very, very cool underneath the hood. I just don't see a lot of these. And like I say, when I see them, they're usually pretty beat up, man. You just don't see nice stuff. Here's your door tag. I'll put all the codes in the ad for you too. Again, factory color combination. Sorry guys, a little dust in there. Bucket seats, got the Hurst shifter. Factory dash, 94,000 is your original miles. It's got a factory tach, but it's not working. AM radio, it's got some aftermarket gauges here. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a factory rear end. It's got 373 posi unit in it. So it scoots. It's got a jack with a space saver spare in the back. Actually relocated the battery. It's got a shut-off switch in the back as well. There's your space saver spare. Jack's underneath it. Let's see if I can get this up without tearing it. You can see it's all body color in here like it's supposed to be. Pretty car, man. Very pretty car. Car's just got a great look. Got it up in the air. We'll post some nice pictures of the underside for you. Seats are nice. Very cool car. So you just got to figure out which key starts it. Car's got a good sound to it. It's cool underneath the hood, man. Not working. Gauges are functional. Parking brake does work, guys. Backup lights work. I know the blower motor works. Anything on there? No.
I'm not getting nothing on the radio.
No radio. Blower motor does work though, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a bad ride right there, man.